Welcome to Conceptual Academy. So friends, in this series we will solve the complete test of CSS 2023. So it's part 4, but before starting a video, I request you please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more update. So friends, without any time wasting, let's start the video. Question number 61. New start sign between. So the answer is USA and Russia. Question number 62. We tries or belong to which class? So the answer is gross. Question number 63. Non-green plants which prepare their foods without chlorophyll are called. So the answer is none of these. Question number 64. Which plants do not have a proper leaves and roots? So the answer is moss. Question number 65. Current is a fruit. Question number 66. Part of a atmosphere in which we live is. So the answer is troposphere. Question number 67. Quebec performed a referendum to get independence from. So the answer is Canada. Question number 68. Operation Neptune spear was against whom? So the answer is Osama bin Laden. Question number 69. The distance between any 2 points of a circle is. So the answer is chord. Question number 70. FOEP stand for. So the answer is free and open Indo-Pacific. Question number 71. If the length of pendulum is decreased, it will be. So the answer is go faster. Question number 72. The sum of all angles on a single point is called 360 degree. Question number 73. The sum of outer angle of a polygon is called. So the answer is 360. Question number 74. Synonym of simulate. So the answer is copy. Question number 75. Synonym of dense. So the answer is corruption. Question number 76. Synonym of transcend. So the answer is exceed. Question number 77. He has no child. This wife. So the answer is with this wife. Question number 78. For election result to be valid as constitution, there should be. So the answer is the winning candidate should secure majority vote. Question number 79. A is 8 ranks ahead of D, who ranked 26 in class of 48. What is the rank from the last? So the answer is 25. Question number 80. Convert sound energy into electrical energy. So the answer is microphone. Thank you for watching.